Hey, what's up, guys? Got the subs out. These are Dole 2 subs. They got sewn in leads. And I'm looking at the fucking coil. I don't know if you can see in here. Let me see. This coil is the fattest fucking coil, I swear, man. Let's see. Look at this fucking coil. I can't even begin to explain how fucking thick that shit is. These things can take hammering. There's a black spider. What else? The surround's pretty neat. It's sewn. Cone sewn to the surround. Push terminals. Dual 2s. So I have them both wired to 2. What I was wondering is if I don't need to jump them in the back. I don't know. Anyway, dual 2s. Yeah, if I don't jump them in the back and I hook them together, that gives me a 1 ohm load. So I'm jumping them in the back. Okay. From one coil to the next. And then I am bringing them over to the thing. So by jumping them, that gives me, I mean, that still don't make sense. If I do positive, negative, it should be 1 ohm. This shit's so confusing. Alright, well, anyways, I just wanted to show you the booties on these. Let me show you the booty again. There's some coiling down here. And they're 450 watt RMS. They are the TS 551022. But yeah, they're pretty fucking heavy. Pretty heavy, pretty decent magnet. Let me see one from the side there. There you go. And then this box, I fiberglassed it. I dumped it in. This one got a crack, but ain't going nowhere. This shit is laid on it like a sheet of glass. So, and I butylled the back. I know it looks shitty, but I won't have no fucking problems with the wires coming off. As these things start hammering, boy, this side fucking cracked bad. Oh, I see why. I ran a screw down through it. So anyway, there you go. Oh, there's a good picture of the coil. Can you see it there? Let me see here. I just had it. Where am I? There we go. Look at that beautiful fat ass coil. That's a fucking coil. That thing looks like it spun around there. Holy fuck, I can't even tell you how many times. It's gotta be like a 1/4 inch off the fucking former. It's huge. Absolutely fucking huge. You can see it, man. Damn. Yeah, that's fucking gigantic. No doubt. So, anyway, there you go. Alright, guys.